All right, doing a walk around on this 52 Chevy, sitting on original frame. Got a Mustang 2 front suspension on it, power steering, power brakes, got disc in the front, drum in the rear. Got a LS engine. It's been gone through with cam, new wiring harness, all new seals, springs. I mean, just gone through right, done right. 4L70 trans. So you've got overdrive. Trans was rebuilt. It's got a stall on it. A nice simple interior, comfortable seat. It's got dolphin gauges, vintage air. Really built to drive. Fires up, runs good, low car shifter. A real nice rumble to it. Like I said, 5.3 built LS. Power steering, power brakes. All new wiring. New radiator. New exhaust. Just a cool driver. Got a great sound to it. Simple wood.